is upon you, because he has anointed you to preach good news. The Spirit of the sovereign God is upon you, because he has anointed you to preach good news. He has sent you to the poor, to bind up the brokenhearted, to bring freedom to the captive, release the ones in darkness. This is the day of the favor of the Lord. This is the day of the vengeance of our God. This is the year. It's the year of the favor of the Lord. Sovereign Lord is upon us, because he has anointed us to preach good news. Yes, he is. Spirit of the sovereign God is upon us. Hallelujah. Because he has anointed us to preach good news. Will comfort all who mourn. He will provide for those who grieve in Zion. He's pouring out his oil of gladness. Instead of mourning, you will pray. The favor of the Lord. This is the day. It's the day of the glory of the Lord. This is the year of the vengeance of our God. This is the day. He will comfort all who mourn. Provide for those who grieve in Zion.